Hi Home Talkers, today I'm going to share with you some of my best cleaning tips. So when it comes to mopping the floor, if your floors are coming out too streaky, that means you have too much water left in your mop head. So make sure you wring out those mop heads very well. If it's coming up cloudy after it dries, that means you have way too much product in your cleaning bucket. So I know sometimes when we're cleaning, we think more product means a better clean, but it's actually less is more. So take down that product and you should notice an improvement in your floors. Shiny floors every time. So also when it comes to floors, I know sometimes when we're having people over or get-togethers, we have those little spills that are a pain to clean up and you don't want to get out the mop and bucket. So here's a handy hack. Take a label maker if you have one and print out a cute label and plaster it on a plastic spray bottle. And then what you're going to do is you're going to just fill this up with a little bit of floor cleaner and some hot water. And then you keep this on hand, and when you have those spills, all you have to do is reach for the floor cleaner that you've already pre-mixed, spray it on the spill, and then use a microfiber towel attached to a Swiffer. And then I can just take this off and wash it. So if I'm in the middle of a party or a get-together, all I have to do is grab this little spray bottle and my microfiber towel and wipe it up. And now on the topic of microfiber towels, I'm going to show you the correct way to clean them so that they don't get built up and fuzzy. So first thing, you only want to wash microfiber towels with other microfiber towels. Just a dot of detergent, and then you're going to put it on a delicate cycle. And I actually even turn off the spin, so we don't want any spin on this. And then it's just a little light load, so I switch it down to light. That goes in the washing, and then when it's all done, you take it out. You can throw them in the dryer on a gentle cycle, but no fabric softener sheets. So again, gentle cycle, very low heat, and for not a lot of time. Microfiber towels don't take long to dry, so they don't need much in the dryer. The other alternative is you can also lay them out dry flat or hang dry them. Microfiber towels are also great for cleaning your stainless steel appliances. So use your favorite stainless steel cleaner and always make sure you wipe in the direction of the grain of the stainless steel. Then once you've buffed it with the one microfiber towel, come in with a dry microfiber towel just to dry off your fridge. And this will make sure you have a streak-free shine every time with your stainless steel appliances. I really hope that you found these cleaning tips and hacks helpful, and maybe that you'll implement them into your cleaning routine.
Here comes another DIY, but first hit subscribe and join the Home Talk community.
Our Keurig is used almost every morning, and aside from wiping down the exterior, it had never been given a deep clean. First, unplug, then take out all the removable pieces. These can be hand washed in the sink with dish soap. Wipe down the exterior with a soapy rag. To clean the interior, you can run vinegar through the machine instead of water. This will remove buildup from your coffee maker. Make sure you've replaced all the pieces you removed. Then run water through a few times until it's clear. Keeping your toaster clean can mean keeping your home and family safe. Removing crumbs and keeping the appliance clean reduces your fire risk. First, remove the crumb tray from the bottom of the toaster. These trays can be cleaned with dish soap in the sink. Then, with the appliance unplugged, use a small brush to remove the crumbs from inside the toaster. A small paintbrush works great for this. Next, gently shake the toaster upside down over the sink to remove the loosened crumbs. You could also use the hose attachment on your vacuum. Now, clean the exterior of your toaster. Baking soda works great on stainless steel surfaces. To clean your dishwasher, start by removing the filter from the bottom of the dishwasher. If you've never cleaned this, or if it's been a while, it may look pretty gross. You can hand wash this in the sink. Use a toothbrush to clean the filter's screens. After replacing the filter, put a dishwasher-safe cup on the top shelf and fill with vinegar. Then, run a short hot cycle. While the cycle runs, you can clean the exterior of your dishwasher. Start by removing the grates and burners from the stovetop. Place a stopper in the sink and make a baking soda bath for these pieces with hot water. If you have large grates like mine, you'll have to hand wash these separately. Let the pieces soak while you clean the stovetop. I first used the vacuum to remove crumbs and debris from the stovetop and the crevice between the counter. A vinegar spray, then a baking soda scrub, will help loosen any cooked-on materials. Wipe down and dry after. Back at the sink, remove and hand scrub the pieces before drying and returning to the stove. The large grates can be hand washed and scrubbed with baking soda before returning to your sparkling stovetop. I hope this video has inspired you to clean all the appliances in your home.
Do you have silver to clean? We put some silver cleaning techniques to the test to help you know which ones really work. Let's start with the boiling method. In a pot, place a large piece of tinfoil in the bottom. Fill with a ratio of 4 cups of water and 1 tablespoon baking soda. Bring that mixture to a boil. Place your silver in the boiling water for 10 to 30 seconds and then carefully pull it out. It's pretty amazing to watch the tarnish literally disappear. Use a soft cloth to buff up the silver once it's completed. Next, I tried the baking soda and water paste method. Place 1/4 cup baking soda and 1 to 2 tablespoons of water into a bowl. Mix together to make a paste. Use a cloth and rub the mixture onto your silver. Rub away the tarnish. When you're finished, rinse it off. For the lemon lime soda method, pour the can of soda into a bowl and place your silverware in the bowl. Leave it set for 1 hour. I had hoped that the bubbles would help activate something to remove the tarnish, but when the hour was up, I was sad to say that this technique did not do anything. Next, I tried the hand sanitizer method. Pour hand sanitizer onto a cloth and rub on the tarnish. Unfortunately, this one did not do anything. However, it did remove fingerprints and gave it a nice shine. The toothpaste method quickly became one of my favorites. For this, you use regular toothpaste, not gel. Put the toothpaste onto a soft cloth and rub it onto the silver. Once the tarnish is gone, rinse it off. For the water and ammonia method, place 1 cup of warm water in a bowl. Add 1/2 cup ammonia. Stir and place the silver into the bowl. Let it soak for 10 minutes. When you're finished, use a cloth to wipe and rinse off. I found that it didn't completely come clean, but it did help make a difference. Vinegar and baking soda. Place 1/2 cup vinegar in a bowl with 2 tablespoons of baking soda and let soak for 2 to 3 hours. I found that I needed to use a scrub pad after the soaking, and that I was digging into the baking soda to do the scrubbing. So although this worked, I would maybe use the baking soda paste from earlier. Lemon juice, water, and powdered milk. In a dish, place 1.5 cups water, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and 1/2 cup instant powdered milk. Mix together. It literally turns sour and looks kind of gross, just as a heads up. Let this soak overnight. The next day, take a cloth and wipe it clean. Once it's clean, rinse it off. This method worked pretty well and actually surprised me. As a special note, to stop the tarnish from coming back with regards to small items in silverware, place in Ziploc baggies and squeeze out as much air as possible. It's the air that causes the tarnish to come back.